You guys. My little girls.
Mom, Dad.
Are we done already? That was fast. You know what? You just knocked it out of my hand. That's not funny, you guys.
What happened?
You knocked the remote out of my hand. Don't start that crap, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6.